Once you've installed WordPress, you can go over to your WordPress dashboard and log into WordPress, and this is where the power of WordPress really resides. The dashboard gives you the ability to create posts, to update your theme, to add in additional pages, to really customize the way your WordPress website is presented. So the whole look and feel of your WordPress website can be really customized and updated just by accessing and logging into the dashboard. And the dashboard is where everything starts and the only place you need to go in order to really control your website. So you can even update themes by making selections. So there's a lot of different themes that are available for WordPress. You can use the default installed themes. You can also search within WordPress for new themes, as well as on the internet in order to get even more themes for WordPress. There's a lot of different themes, and what themes do is they allow you to control how your WordPress website is presented. So it includes styling. So there's a number of different files that come along with every theme, which includes different styling files and plugins, and also depending on what your theme is capable of, some of the different capabilities that are presented within the dashboard. So every theme is potentially different and can have its own set of controls just for that theme itself. And for the most part, themes within WordPress, and now within WordPress themes, they're actually required to be able to be changed within the dashboard. So you have the ability to change the color, the heading image, the background image, menus, widgets, and even what's presented on the front page. There's quite a bit you can do with themes these days in WordPress, and I'm going to show you how to access those themes and update themes within your website.